I found this Eclipse sitting in a field for 10 years. So I bought it and we're gonna rebuild it. You thought I was joking about tadpoles. Being cool.
I know, look at me.
Are you cute and cuddly?
Yeah.
So am I. I had to take out the windshield.
What?
Because it's broke. Well, I better not lock the door. We're at the junkyard to see if they have a windshield here for my Eclipse. I needed that headlight. Goodbye, truck. Yes! This one's in perfect condition. There's nothing wrong with it. Hot today, isn't it?
Oh, you're warm. That day is good.
Telling you. Makes me wish one of my exes was here so they'd do something shady.
I can't get mine to go with it.
Not bad at all for like $80. I've got like another $30 in the epoxy. So I've got about $30 in the windshield epoxy, and that's because I wasted some. It could have been even cheaper, but either way, I saved at least $200 on this.